David, I had this fantastic idea on how to wash your clothes with your truck. Let's do it. Hey guys, we're working on the mini chopper build that we are donating to the NBA, the Oklahoma City Thunder, and we got majority of the parts in. Some of the parts came in were not the correct parts, so we're going to have to reorder. But we're going to put on some of the parts today, show you what it looks like. Now, this is where the fun starts. Oh no. Our grinder broke, bro.
What are the thoughts going through your mind right now?
Trying to get this tire off, but our tool broke. So, just not wanting to go to AutoZone.
Oh!
Time to go to AutoZone.
Man, Chris, that shirt you're wearing looks pretty good.
You think?
Yeah, most definitely.
Yeah, I got it off of dailydad.com.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so there's merch for sale, and I saw it, had to buy it, so yeah. You should go buy one too, David.
I already did, bro.
You did?
Yeah, I already did.
Dude, that's awesome. All right, guys, so as we were piecing this together, the tool that we were using to cut the tire in half broke, and it went flying behind me. Thankfully, I didn't get hurt. But there's a local tire shop nearby. We went there, and they had trouble getting it off as well. It's just so small. So we're going to now put the new tire on and see how it looks. And then we might call it a day. I'm not sure, we'll see. So guys, we got screws out, and I can tell that some of these screws are missing a thread. I might have to go, they're in bad shape. I mean, it's an old scooter, so I might have to go get a new screw anyway. I'm gonna rust dip pretty much all of this right here and clean it up because they don't sell these anymore. So we're gonna have to reuse these. I did order a new sprocket, but we're gonna see if we can reuse that anyway. So yeah. All right, so we got the spacer in, and it came with some gaskets. So we're gonna finish the install on the carburetor today. Yeah.
Basically, the studs have to go through
Yeah.
there, so we're ready.
Okay.
My wrist brace in there. The studs are so big, it's hard to get them.
got a little dirty as we were building the mini chopper, so we're gonna wash it. So I like washing my clothes in cold water. I got some ice. So slowly add a little water.
What are you thinking?
It's not enough. The Daily Dad. Think it's clean?
I think it's clean.
Let's check. Now, we have a clean shirt. Buy merch. So, Daily Dad Gang, what we've done so far is we have worked on the mini chopper, and we got a little bit done. We got the motor on, and we got the tire put on. So now I realized I didn't order a brake, so I ordered that. It should be in within a week or so. We worked on the MG today, and that took a lot longer than we thought. So we didn't get as far as I wanted to. We got the carburetor on. That didn't take near as long, but the brakes and changing out the brake shoes, and that was a pain. So we didn't get as far as we wanted. We still got to change the master cylinder, the brake master cylinder, and once that's changed, it should be drivable. We're gonna adjust the carburetor. Should be good to go, and MG would be back on the road. MGs, yeah. I feel like I'm wearing my wife's pants. They're a little too tight. It's not that bad with the peel. I recommend it. Guys, so we worked on a lot today. In this video, I'm excited for the progress of the mini chopper and the MG. And washing my clothes in the truck was interesting. So I do recommend that at home. You should try it. Use tie-downs. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Click that like button. Subscribe. Thanks for watching The Daily Dad.